Welcome back to my channel. Do your games or software close without any error, or when you open them, nothing appears after the loading screen? Then today, in this video, I will show you the solution to this problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Welcome to my channel, Technicio. First of all, I will show you the game where I face this problem the most. So I'll search for that game from here and open it. As soon as I open it, you can see that I get a loading screen. But after loading, nothing will open and no error will appear. Now if I try to open it again, I won't even see the loading screen. At this point, the user gets frustrated. No error, no other issue. So what is the cause of this problem? If there were an error, there might be a big solution for it. But when there's no error, how can we fix it? The main cause is Windows optimization. This setting optimizes your software or games so that those using DirectX 11 or 12 can be optimized for the Windows screen, allowing them to run without latency. However, this setting often causes games to crash right at startup. To turn off this setting, I'll open Settings, then go to System Settings, then open Display Settings. At the bottom, you'll find the Graphics option. Opening that, you'll see the option Optimizations for windowed games right in front of you. You can see that by default it is set to On. If you want to turn it off for everything, just turn it off from the main toggle. But if you want to turn it off for a specific game or software, open that game or software and you'll find its individual option there. You can see that I have turned off the main option, so now every game or software will automatically have this setting turned off. And if you look here, you will see an option called GPU Preferences for every software or game. By default, it is set to let Windows decide, so that Windows can decide whether this app should run in high-performance mode or power-saving mode. I will switch my game to high-performance mode and then close the settings. Now I will open the same game again. And now you can all see that my game opens after the loading screen. And this time it does not close. Now if I play it, it will run properly without any interruption. So if you are facing the same problem, try this solution. You will definitely benefit from it. So that was today's video. See you in the next video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technicio, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.